Dear friends from the new Slovenian party, I send you the best wishes from Bavaria for the 30th anniversary. It was a great achievement and an excellent tradition carried on by you, the new Slovenian party. Today we stand together, we are united. We are basically members in one family, the EPP family. We share the same values, the same principles, and we have the same idea of Europe. May 26th this year is an important date. May 26th could be a turning point for Europe. May 26th is the date of the elections for the European Parliament. We have an excellent lead candidate, Spitzenkandidat Manfred Weber from Bavaria. And we have a big goal that we want to achieve. Keep Europe together and make it even stronger. Because a strong Europe is in our best interest. In this spirit, we are looking forward to continuing the excellent relationship between our countries and between our both parties. The best wishes to all of you. A good time, all the best. Thank you.